Looking for a challenging and unique building project? Check out this CADA 979-piece military sniper rifle building block set. A detailed, hands-on model inspired by World War II-style assault rifles. Compatible with major brick brands, this set includes 979 precision ABS pieces. Build a realistic-looking rifle with moving parts, perfect for display, creative play, or collectors. Recommended for ages 14+, it's a great way to develop focus, fine motor skills, and patience. Once complete, it makes an impressive desktop piece or addition to any military or history collection. No batteries required, just your imagination and building skills. Whether you're into history, models, or just love a good build, this set delivers engagement and satisfaction. Ready to assemble your own block-built weapon model? Check the link in the description below to buy this CADA military building set now. Thanks for watching, and build your arsenal.